Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
You think it is if a man walk in a one room and see a woman in a brassiere and panty, them scream out and I go on the most weird, them traumatized need all therapy. But Sunday come, them they are hell in a two-piece bikini. Not only that, them put it on Instagram and I beg you for like it. Them actually believe say the two-piece bikini different from the brassiere and panty when are the same.
Yeah man, I show you that. You know the next thing I have to understand? They wear the little short up skirt them. And then every toe step them a dry it down. How that work?
Trouble. The Queen is here, the Queen is here. Warm St. Thomas, man.
Watch you know? I wish you to touch the big artist.
It's about to go down.
Yow. How are you, Mama? It's me, Queenie. I just wanted to say hi.
Mama, relax yourself and not touch me. I don't know you from nowhere. You hear that?
But I'm somebody. I'm somebody. I just never seen you in real life and I wanted to say hi.
Man, how the block? How are you, man?
Wow. Stop, can you disrespect the Queen. I be the man I come to. Be the man have a Grammy. Me and you don't have a Grammy. Off, you're f***ing rude.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Come in.
First time shoppers be like.
Go to the bank and get the go to the bank and get the 5,000.
Go to the bank and get the 5,000 for what?
To send to me.
Why am I going to send you $5,000?
Because you want the 3.5 million, so you have to give me 5,000.
I have to give you $5,000 in order to win 3.2 million?
Yes, you lucky I never charge you 10,000.
Yeah, boy.
Americans versus Jamaicans.
I just want to say, no respect and big up to Gaspro. You know, the Migla curfew, them take themselves, go up on my video, watch my video when me attack, when my gas done. And them come on me yard and come sponsor me a brand new cylinder, Gaspro. And you know I do and him shake me up yesterday. Big up themselves, Gaspro. Now, hear me I say, I beg too much on things still. I call Gaspro near me yesterday to the courts. Courts, me don't know what you can do for me still, you know. We're not be greedy, but one little flat screen with that nice, you know. You know, them say ask and it shall be given. Me don't know if you can sponsor one little AC unit. You know, that little mini one them, yeah man. That would have nice. Big up on yourself though.
So when me used to go to school, now one evening me come home, me see me granny, she a understand with piece of whip. So me a say, when me do now, me a go get beaten. But me see her before she see me. So me walk on next road, reach in the yard. As me put my foot across the fence, me see me granny grab me so. I say, boy, me here, say, you smoke. I don't know, study your book. Me say, granny, listen. If me smoke, me get high. Down. She said, yes. So me say, granny, if me study, me get education. Down. She said, yes, and that me want you get. Me say, granny, you don't think me smart enough? She said, what you mean? Me say, me granny, me smoke and study, so me get highly educated.
You say true, we have so much online classes these days. I saw enough of the youth them a get highly educated right now.
G. G. O. 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 G. G. L. L. E. E. Gulu gulu.
Hey, little girl, why are you crying?
Nobody don't come at my funeral.
What? You died? Don't be silly. Let's take you home to your parents. Come on. wrong with you?
Me dead and nobody no come at my funeral.
Dead. And nobody no come to your funeral.
Nobody no come.
Drunk cross. Scandal, mega scandal your name, you know. God kill me if me no scandal your name. After me already feel you, man, nice, tight, Gucci. You not turn up. You just dead, so. After you promise me what you gonna do to me? No. This bun me bad.
I know something this will normally happen to me, you know, but I don't know if I chew your front tight, nothing more than my penis claustrophobic. I have to go doctor go check out here, sit here, man.
Transport authority be like, sir, your car is not fit for the road. So let me ask you something. Them a road a fit for car, brother? Eh? What is? A road this? A road this? Them a road a fit for car, brother? Eh? Right now I have to go buy a donkey.
Watch it!
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is you watch this Mr. Andrew McGoldness. I'm not come here for disrespect you this morning. I come here for ask you a favor. You can come lock me up, please. I can't bother with my mother no more. You come with this new curfew and she just walk me right round the clock. I be a plate me and wash up. More wash the plate them 8 o'clock and by 8:01 me have to start over again. Hold on, let me show you something. Bad with bad, Gaza, bad with bad. Yeah, see this? Yeah, me have to go rate this up, then go wash up back plate again. I go and sit down out the sort of road and wait for you, yeah? They can send one red stripe them to come pick me up. I tell them my address, but you lock down school, so I don't remember it. Not take long now, Mr. McGoldness. I do out there, yeah?
Yes, morning, sir. More one girl. You can't give one girl. Oh, you want a girl? Alright, this way for me, please. Yeah, man, have a seat right there. So, what kind of girl you want now? Slim thick, or fat? Slim thick. Alright, slim thick. Black, brown, copper color. Yeah, man, browning. Alright, hold on. I have to check if any slim thick browning. Give me a minute. Yeah, Joshua, no brown slim thick left.
No, so I run out of stock, boss.
Okay, alright. Alright, them say the slim thick done, so you want a dark skin. Alright, give me dark skin, yeah. A dark skin one guy, but the big sim, yeah. Alright, just take a ticket and just wait for your new card.